Hello everybody, in this video we will be looking at the options that we get when we view any video. So let us go and open any one video that we want to look at. Here I am having one video opened that is there and that I want to watch. So over here I'll go from top to bottom. So first you will get an arrow like that. So when you click on that, the video will play over here in a mini play option. So you can start it from there, and if you don't want to watch that video anymore, you can click on that cross, so it will the video will stop playing. Next is the add to watch later option. The same option is over here as well. So that is save to watch later, add to watch later. So that is the same option. That is, if you want to save it over there, you can save it from there, and if you want to save it from here, you can save it from here. The next option is the share option. So the same option again is here. If you want to share, you can just click on that. If you want to share from here, you can share from over here, and if you want to share from here, you can share from here. Any option you can try. The next option is the information option. So it's an eye and then it's in a circle. So when you click on that, you will get all the videos that are related or by that channel. So you can just view the videos that is there from that channel. Next you will find 3 dots. Again, these are not the same options that are there, but the 3 dots will again give you reports. If you don't like this video, you want to report it to YouTube, you can report. Then you will have the quality. So if the video is very blur, you can either increase it to from 480 pixels to about 1086 pixels or so, and then you can increase or decrease the way you want. Then the next is captions. When you click on captions, you will, if anybody is speaking anything in the video, you will get it as a caption on that video, for that video. Next will be the next option here is the playback speed. Over here it is normal. So again, if the video is very slow, you can either increase the speed, and if the video is very fast, you can lower the speed. If you have a VR in your house and you want to play it on it, or you want to watch on it, you can just click on watch in VR. You can pair it with your device and you will be able to watch it. Then there is help and feedback. If you want any help from YouTube on this video, or you want to give a feedback for this video to YouTube, you can just give it over there. The next options, the next features that are there. So over here, the first thing is the previous video option. So if you want to watch the previous video, you can just click on that and you will be able to watch the video. Then there is the next video option. So this is for previous, this is for next. So if you want to watch the next video, you can just click on the next video option. Then there is there's this play and pause option. So when it is like this, a triangle one, it is paused, and when it changes to this play option, it is on, like that. So you'll be able to see it is on. So that was the play and pause. So when it is just the triangle, it is paused, the video is paused, and when there are 2 big rectangles side by side, then that is play. Then you will find this full screen option. So when you click on that, the video will become full screen, and when you if you want to again get back to the normal viewing option, you just need to again click on that option that is again over here. You just need to click and then you will come back to the normal small screen. So that is where you can do. The next will be the time. So this video is over here. You will find the actual how much the video is time of, and how much the video takes, how much time the video is off. And over here you will find the option for how much is already done. So let's say the video is 7 seconds done. When I move it ahead, so what you see over here is the mini window, so that when you move it from your hands, so you just need to long press on that red button, red dot over there, and then you can move it to whichever place you want it to be. Now let's say I want it to be here. You will be able to see there's a big thin line of red in red, so that is nothing but how much your video is already done. So if the video is completed till here, it will come till there. Now let's say you got an ad. So when you get an ad, suppose this ad is of Snapchat. When you get that ad, you can either there's all this information about the Snapchat. If you don't want this, you just need to click on the cross. When you do that, all the information will go, and then you will also get the time, that how much time the ad is off. Then when you want to skip this ad, you will also get an option, either skip ad in 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and the countdown will go down. And if you don't want to do that, you can there also be an option that video will play after the ad finishes only. So you can't do anything, you just have to watch that ad and then the video will go ahead. So that is how you can do watch video after ad. So you can just look at that ad and then you will again come back to that place. Now the video is there and you have watched that much. So that is how you can get to know, and that is how much you have watched. Now the next thing over here will be the name of the video, and what the name of the video they have put or they have kept. And then you will also find a down arrow beside the name, so that when you click on that, you will be able to see the description of the video. So when the description is there, that means the description is put by the channel itself, so about the video. So they've just put it about the video by the channel itself. Now when you want to go back, now you'll be able to see the arrow has changed from down to up. So when you click on that, you will come back to where it was. So that is how you can view the description. All the information that we saw in that arrow, all this is nothing but it's called the video's description. Below the name, then you will be able to find how many views that are there in that channel. So suppose in this channel it has 846,000 views. So that is how you can see how many views are there, and you will be able to see the time. So this video was posted a year ago, so that is how you will be able to see the time. Then again, these 5 options I've already discussed earlier. There is like, there is unlike, there is share, download and save to watch later. So that is what you can see. Then you will be able to see the name of the channel, how many subscribers there are, whether you've subscribed or not, the notification bell, again all this is already discussed. Then the comment that is there, how many comments are there, So you'll be able to see the a small number that is there beside the comments option. That is how many comments that are there on that video. And that I've already posted a video on what the comments are, how to comment. Then you will have another option that is autoplay and up next. When you click the up next is nothing but what video will come next. So here the next video will be this. So that is how you will be able to see that which video is gonna come next. The next option is autoplay. So when you click on autoplay, first of all, if you click when it is on, it will turn blue, and if you want to switch it off, it will become gray. So the work of autoplay is that when you switch on autoplay, you won't have to suppose this video has ended and then you have to go to a new video, you want to open a new video, you won't have to search the video, you won't have to play it and all. It will directly play the next video. So if say the autoplay is on, and now my autoplay is on, now the autoplay is on, and then if it is off, you will get this option that you want to see it again, and when it is on, you will directly get the next video that is there. So that is all for this, all the options for the viewing for viewing any video.